Right, guys, so welcome to our daily videos. The idea is to do these videos to show you a little bit of the day-to-day of the crypto markets, explain you how technicals are drawn, what type of things professional traders look like and do in the crypto markets anyways, and what type of news or stuff are we always monitoring to see what could be the next big thing or what the next big move, or how to use the platform to understand the signals that it can provide. So let's get started with Bitcoin. Let's go over here and chart and look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, it's stuck in a massive range. Okay, it is it's pretty substantial range. So if you take it from here all the way till here, even like a little lower, so we're literally at the middle of the range. Every time it tries to go lower, it gets bought. Every time it go higher, it gets shorted. So it's just stuck in a range, and I believe it's gonna get stuck in there for a while. How long? We can use volume to tell us how long is that gonna happen. So usually what happens is, and things, informations like this, we can use volume to try to estimate how long is the move going to take. So if we will draw the volume, we will expect by the end of June to have very, very, very low volume. And when the price has very low volume, that means that the price, the asset price at that particular price is not interesting anymore. So, but at the same time, we have now I'm personally bullish on the crypto markets as a trader, but this is the stuff that is kind of like bothering me a little bit. It's a massive creation of a head and shoulders, and literally respecting the volume formation as well. So, but it's not a head and shoulders until it breaks the neckline. If you want to draw the neckline at 7.6, or you could even draw the line at, like, let's say on the average of the little low points 7.5. But in my opinion, if we break 7.5, 7.6, we're definitely going for at least the minimum. I would say the biggest support that we have would be starting at 7.3 all the way to 6.8 will be the last price that I would expect Bitcoin to bounce at. Other than that, you have 7.5, but again, at 7.5, it's an amazing price. I will be putting limits all the way through. Hopefully, I'll call that a net fish, like fishing net. So I will hopefully get filled on any of the weeks. I'm gonna try doing this now. This is a strategy, and if you guys want to hear a super strategy, is you can do this in USD. But if you really want to get the best possible prices, when people panic out and people from other currencies that are not USD panic out, you're more likely to get a much better price on a pair that is not the main pair. So you go along BTC CAD, BTC Japanese yen, BTC Euro, you're gonna get a bigger wick there. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. Ethereum is in the same type of range. So if we look at Ethereum, the chart shows us again a big consolidation. Right now, the best trade for Bitcoin and Ethereum is no trade. You gotta watch it. You could be stuck on a range, selling high, buying low, selling high. You can make a lot of money on a range. Range trading is very profitable, but again, it's most traders, what they do is they sell when there's low and they rebuy when there's high, thinking that it's gonna go, but it's just stuck in a box. So Ethereum is at the same spot, though. We monitor a couple of news interesting in Ethereum here, and in yellow, Ubisoft is reportedly developing Ethereum in games that could literally change the Ethereum price, because if they're using it for games, that will create a lot of demand for the coins, because the gaming industry is huge. Other than that, it's pretty much stuck at 240, 230, 250. Again, don't get caught up in the volatility of it. It's just noise, okay? In terms of the other coins that are trending, is Litecoin. Litecoin is going to the stratosphere. All this is anticipation. What we believe is of the halving, it's called, which basically the miners, they're gonna go from 50 Litecoins reward to 25 Litecoins reward. Now, in my opinion, this does increase the prices. Again, it will increase the price of the assets, because you're decreasing the reward, but at the same time, not to be 500%. That's a little crazy. So definitely, if you look at the price of Litecoin, we can see that Litecoin is definitely is starting to do a divergence volume. So meaning like for the same move over here and over here, you're getting a lot less volume. Okay, now and this is an aggregate, right, of um, of these bars here and the bars here. So definitely we're looking to. I believe this is exhausting. So 138 could be a definitely good price to get rid of your Lycons if you have. Uh, the long-term level or support or resistance is has to be something around 150. So for $12, are you gonna risk 38? Probably not. So definitely a good idea will be getting out of your Litecoins. We're gonna wait for the system to give us the alert of liquidation for Litecoins and for movement in the Litecoins. Uh, right now the buyers are in control of the sellers. So the second we start seeing the sellers accelerate, that's when we're gonna issue an alert of get out of Litecoin, take your profits, don't hold this forever. Okay, you as long as you buy at a lower price than what you bought, that you sold, sorry, you are a winner. Okay, never forget that. So that's pretty much it for the platform. We're gonna be issuing an alert for Litecoin the second our the platform it starts to turn into take profits. For now, hold it if you have it. Don't buy it if you want it. You can play momentum a couple dollars, but definitely the risk is there. So wouldn't it's not a good risk reward trade if you buy it at this price. Okay, so catch me with us tomorrow. You can send us any questions on our Slack, email, Twitter, or Facebook, and we're happy to help you use the platform in really like you can use the platform to get all your signals and all this information that is kind of like hidden in the internet. We try to expose all this, and if you guys have any requests or features, we're here to help you trade better, make some money. If by providing you all the tools that you need to understand these markets. Thank you guys.